know this video thumbnail said Ram 1500. We're getting to that, but first we have a beautiful 22 Stingray Willies Jeep Gladiator Apex Edition on a 4-inch Ready Lift TerraFlex kit and 37s with Black Rhino Arsenals. This is a rugged rendition if I ever saw one, y'all. 37-inch Ridge Grapplers, Black Rhino 20s. We got the Falcon shocks. Love the Falcon shocks, specifically tuned for the Jeep products. You got a Falcon steering stabilizer as well. This is a legit kit, and the Willies have some nice offerings via black grill and other subtleties, rock rail protectors. Got a nice bed cover on there, looking legit. But here, you've asked Real Deal to bring more Ram action, and you know you boys gotta deliver. At your source, Akins and Wild Willies in Weiner, Georgia. It's been a great day, y'all. Check out this 3.5-inch SST lifted Covert Edition on 35s and 20s. The new Black Rhino Warlock wheel in 20x9. Love that slight accent of milling with the gloss black. Zero offset, 35, 12.5, 20 Ridge Grapper. That Ready Lift kit, spacer kit with upper control arms. It's a nice mid-level lift with a great entry-level price point as well. Mild to wild scale, we're in that mid-level range. We're sticking at about 2.5 inches. So this is perfect to me, y'all, for the added height with the added width of the wheel and tire combo. A bighorn truck that needed some help, let's be honest. Just kind of gets it sitting up with that little bubbly body style that, to me, that 2-inch level kit is not quite adequate on the Ram body style. You got to go up to that 3.5-inch or taller, but 3.5-inch is a minimum, in my opinion, to rock with it. And let me know what you think about the wheel. I think it's got some cool vibe going on with the multi-spoke. You know, different angles I see 8-spoke, certain ones I see more than that. It's just got a unique offering to it, y'all. And AMP Research power deployable running boards to clean it up, make it look even taller. Interior wise, we got the new WeatherTech style floor liners. Got an 8-inch touchscreen. This does have the e-torque system and a V6, which is pretty adequate as far as overall power. It's not Hemi by no means, but the e-torque system, good fuel economy, and it'll surprise you about the overall power. Here's our window sticker. Pause here for our factory options, and here are our Covert Edition upgrades. Stock number NN317352. Undercover trifold bed cover out back, and look how beautiful it is today, y'all. Hope everyone's doing great. We just reviewed that Raptor there. We've got a great customer, Eddie Hernandez, coming tomorrow, and also we have Donald Money coming to get that one. And there's Thomas's new Ranger he just built, y'all. So all kind of wild Willie action going on today at Akins. A good side shot here too for you right there. So a good balance. And I wanted to tie in the chrome on this one. Just wanted to be in a certain price point range, so did not want to do a lot of paint. So no paint on this one, but the chrome flows with the milling in that wheel, and the gloss black, not doing a matte black wheel. The gloss black wheel ties in nicely, because sometimes if you do a matte wheel on a glossy truck, it kind of makes the truck look dirty at all times. So this one is a great rendition to me. We've sold a lot of these trucks, so it was nice that we finally got some Ram trucks in to where we could do more offerings for you guys and gal. So Ram 1500 Covert Edition, 3.5-inch kit on 35s, and the 4-inch kit from Ready Lift on the Stingray on 37s, y'all. We're still pumping out the custom trucks to you on the daily, so stay tuned for us. And if you want a stock truck, we are your source for that also. I'm your boy, Real Deal Neal. Thanks so much for watching. It's been a great day, y'all, and it's all because I know the battle's already been won. Jesus Christ, y'all. I mean, like, you wanna know why I got my swag and my confidence every day? It's because I believe and trust in that, y'all. Stay safe, stay blessed. Peace out.